Hello, Scullies, and welcome back to this episode of Early Bird Gets the Pokemon Cards. That's right, we're able to buy cards at Target on release day again, which I bought these two from Target. There was also some sleeved booster packs, single packs. There was the V Strikers tins, which I have one of those coming from Best Buy. uh, I got 3 out of the 4 ETBs that I ordered from the Pokemon Center. So these are some very exclusive Pokemon Center ETBs. I'm going to be keeping these in my sealed collection. And they actually messed up because right here, as you can read, it says it has 10 booster packs inside, but I believe yesterday they sent an email out to everyone saying that they messed up at the factory, that there's actually only 8 booster packs in here. So everyone who ordered one of these will be getting $10 refunded. They're going to be getting 2 packs delivered, and they're also going to be getting one of each of the birds trio, the V card. So one Moltres V, one Zapdos V, and one Articuno V. So that comes out to a pretty good deal. I went to 2 different GameStops today so I could try to find the Sanaconda promo card that's supposed to be at GameStop. Neither of them had it. I bought these 5 at one GameStop, and while I was on my way to the second GameStop, there was a Twitter notification that went out that online GameStop was taking pre-orders for Evolving Skies, which is going to be the awesome Eevee set, and they're going to have Rayquaza featured as well. So when I got to the second GameStop, they had this sitting up front. That's the only time I've been able to see a built-in battle in the wild on the shelf for retail. So I bought this. It's in pristine condition. I actually have 2 more of these coming in from an online seller, so I'm going to wait till those come in to see which one I want to open. Last time one was damaged, so if there's another damaged one, I'm going to open up the damaged one. Like I had the build-in battle from Battle Styles that was slightly damaged right there. So I opened that one up. It'd be nice to open one and keep the other 2 for my sealed collection. And while I was in there at GameStop, I pre-ordered 3 of the build-in battle boxes for Evolving Skies. So there's my receipt from GameStop. That's how much I paid. Their retail price, which is awesome. And also that's today's date. So for this video, I don't have too much more. Chilling Rain coming in. I still don't have a booster box. I'm kind of waiting to hit up this local game store that has them for really cheap. So today I'm thinking about just opening up 1 of these blisters and 3 of these packs, just to kind of make it a shorter video. I don't want to go too long. I forgot to pick up an extra pack at the GameStop where I picked this up because I was too excited about Evolving Skies. It kind of threw everything off. Originally, I wanted to do a blister pack battle versus a sleeved pack battle. So we'll do a mini one of those. So for now, we'll see which gets the better hits. A 3-pack blister or 3 single individual packs here. All right. So if you guys want to put down your prediction in the comments section, that would be very cool. I don't have much space because these ETBs are taking up all the space. Pretty nice ETBs, huh? Which one do you like more? I think I like the purple one more, Shadow Rider, and that's Ice Rider, Calyrex. I'm not too certain about those Pokemon. I did not play the Sword and Shield game. But let's take a look at this Eevee card. I am loving this Eevee promo. It's very cool. There's a Genesect kind of hard to see. Genesect coin there. We'll try to go back and forth. We'll go 1 and 1. We'll do one blister pack, and then we'll go to a sleeved pack. But first, let us see this Eevee card. I love the colors in the back. The holo is very nice. Very nice. Eevee looks scared, like she's running away from the lightning, or something is attacking her. Does anyone see any swirls? I don't see any swirls. I got these from GameStop. I just picked up 1 and 1. It was pretty cool. I was there as they opened at 8 in the morning, and I was the only person looking at the Pokemon cards that early. So I was a bit surprised compared to all the other times I've done my early bird gets a Pokemon video. There's always been a line of people waiting outside. I don't know if maybe most of the Pokemon people were busy or have already pre-ordered a lot of Chilling Reign somewhere else. Or maybe it was just because Target doesn't offer sports cards anymore. It's amazing that there was no other Pokemon people there when I was there. So here we go. First pack of Chilling Reign. This is my first pack of Chilling Reign I'm opening. It comes out of a 3-pack blister. So hopefully these 3-pack blisters give us some awesome luck. Let's tap it there. First card is a Grass Energy. Then we have a Dynatree Hill. Very big berries. Spiral Energy. Oh man, I'm so excited. Chilling Reign in my hands. Peony. Looks like a Snow Mountain hiker. Weedle. And Heracross. Trying to come up with some abs. There we go, guys. Galarian Surfet. Farfetch'd. I don't know if he's resting or if he's planning someone's demise. What is this, like smoke or dirt coming up? Maybe some dust. Oh, Castform is so happy looking. Larvesta. Very beautiful with the roses. We love roses. Sobble meditating with tears in his eyes. Come on, Sobble. Om. Woosah, my friend. There we go. Our first reverse holo is a Happy Castform. In the back, can we have first pack magic? Oh, it is first pack magic. Tornadus VMAX. Single strike. There we go. 3-pack blister is hitting hard already. Very cool. I love the VMAX backgrounds with the swirls of colors. Gorgeous. That's just gorgeous, I tell you. Alright, let's switch over to one of these sleeved booster packs here. This is Galarian Articuno. Kind of looks like Cyclops or something up there. And also has the art pack of Galarian Articuno. Who is your favorite Galarian trio bird? I'm going to say mine is Zapdos. I am a Instinct Pokemon Go player, Team Instinct, so I'm going to go Zapdos. There's a Kakuna. I love this art. I don't know what he's doing, but very cool. Flannery. Rugged Helmet. A Ghastly. Love Ghastly. A Ladybug. Snowy Roses there. Porygon. Porygon is a cool Pokemon. He's in the lab. Swirlix in a donut. That's so cool. Chocolate donuts. Sneasel. Is she trying to steal some of Obama Snow's fruits and berries? I can't tell if he's just tripping and they're falling out or if she's like swiping them away. Sneasel, no Sneasling. Ooh, Aggron. Is that a rare? It is. Reverse Hollow Rare Aggron. Very cool Pokemon. In the back, we have a non-hollow rare Ampharos. Ampharos is one of my favorite Pokemon. I would say he's on the list somewhere up top. I'll show you guys my Mega Ampharos EX card. Mega Ampharos with the white hair. That's just so cool. I don't know why I like it, but I do. Alright, next up in the 3-pack blister, we have Ice Rider Calyrex coming in hot. That broke up real nice. Alright, please share these code cards for the viewers. We have a Fighting Energy, Dynatree Hill, Justified Gloves, ooh, Lucky, Lucky Energy, Galarian Slowpoke, trying to fish out that Cloyster, a Crabrawler. Why does he always look like his eyes are twitching? That one doesn't, but I don't know. Crabrawler. Ooh, Snorunt. That's a really cool art. I like that. Wow. Weedle. Cast form. Yarn cast form. Snover reverse hollow. Did I do the card trick? I must have, because there's a Serena in the back, which is our non-hollow rare. I did order some items from the Pokemon Center to get the Professor Willow card. So when that stuff comes in, I would love to show you guys what I ordered. Well, I can just tell you, I guess. It's some Pokemon Go shirts, the Go Fest shirts. I ordered an Instinct water bottle, and I also ordered one of the Raid Pass little lanyards. So I'm really excited about that. I'm going to get some promo Professor Willow cards. Whirlipede. Let's get a little closer. Alright. That's cool art too. I like the background. It looks real. Thwacky. There's been a lot of Grookey, Thwacky, and Rillaboom in the last few sets in Sword and Shield. Makes sense. He's a Sword and Shield Pokemon. Peony. I have to get one of these Switch Pros when it comes out so I can finally play the new... Ooh, nice Grookey. So I can play the newest Pokemon games. Score Bunny. Yeah, push it. Aaron. Is he eating rocks? Oh no, those are bolts and nuts. He's a steel worker. Snorunt. Ooh, reverse Hollow Clara. Hello, Clara. I like her bow and her purple gloves. Next up is Volcarona, who evolves from Larvesta, non-hollow. Okay. So far, the 3-pack blister is winning because... Did I do this wrong? I must have. I'm too busy talking. The 3-pack blister is winning because there's one Tornadus VMAX and really no hits from the single sleeved packs. But here we go, a little teaser. It comes from a white code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 pa'l frente. Steel Energy. Scroll of Piercing. How was your summer day going, guys? It's over 100 degrees out here today, if you can believe it or not. Melanie, is that giant hair in the back? What is she doing? Expedition Uniform. Rainy Form, Cast Form. Larvesta. Sobbling. Ladybug. Squovit. Hey, you can catch me. Trying to run away. Weeding gloves. All right, reverse hollow weeding gloves. In the back, we have, whoa, another VMAX. Galarian Slowking VMAX. Yes. All right, so we're in for a tie now. We have one VMAX from the 3-pack blister and one VMAX from the 3 sleeved packs. So now it comes down to this last pack in the 3-pack blister. I'm having a hard time saying that. But here's the awesome purple Genesect coin. And our last pack for this video. Right. This has been pretty fun to see all these new cards. Thank you all so much for watching. And remember, no one likes to be disrespected. No disrespect. Brawly, Haunter, Porygon, Heracross. Very cool Heracross. He's getting the action. Sobbling. NK. Nice balancing trick. She's about to cook it up. Some good food. It's making me hungry. Squovet. Reverse hollow Hatterene, which is a rare Hatterini. In the back, we have a Slurpuff. This is a rare? What? What? Look at those little cookies. All right, so I guess it's a tie. Very decent pools. 2 VMAX. Can't be mad at that. Out of 6 packs. Stay tuned for more Chilling Reign.